Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will show you how to make a cheap and working phone or camera tripod at home for less than 5 euros. For this project you will need 3 sticks. You will choose whatever length you want. I chose mine to be 1 meter and 50 centimeters because I need a height of pretty much about this. Second, you will need some kind of cheap small tripod that you can get at pretty most all the shops. This one cost me a little bit over 1 euro, 1 euro and 29 cents. And also you will need 6 zip ties. So what you will do, you'll get your stick and you'll measure pretty much the length that you want for your leg to be attached to the stick and just tie it with a zip tie. So I will line this right here. Okay. Now at the bottom, this is why you need 6 of them. This will make it more stable. Okay, now let's grab another stick and do the same thing. Okay, we have 2 legs and now the third one, and it's almost done. Now you just cut pieces of zip ties that you don't longer need. And there you go. You have a tripod that will work just as any professional ones that cost 100 or even more euros for less than 5 euros. So the tripod itself cost me 1 euro 29 cents. These 3 sticks cost me 2 euros and 8 cents, and 6 zip ties. They don't cost anything pretty much. So we have a working tripod for your phone and it cost me less than 5 euros. So if you think that this video was helpful, if you can use it, because if I would have had this idea like 2 years ago, my video quality would have been much better. So anyways, you see how it looks. It's working. I just don't have any phone to put it in for showing because it's right there, and well, So yeah, if you want to support this channel, I will add a link in description and also in comments, so please support. I appreciate any cents. Even you can send me 10 cents, I am thankful. So yeah, this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and have a nice day. Bye bye.